Click Payroll to go to Payroll module. Click Create to create a new payroll. Choose the employee, choose the period, choose type in case any references, and the payslip name will be automatically created. Choose the contract for the employee. In normal case, the contracts will come by default. Here we can create a contract on the fly. Give it a name, choose employee, choose department, choose the contract type, and choose the salary structure. Let us see how to create a salary structure on the fly. Choose its name, choose the salary rules, and save. Now, when creating a contract, we have to give the basic wage for that employee. Give it and save it. Choose the contract from the contract field and click the salary computation tab. You can say a number of tabs and fields here, that is for choosing the salary journal, payment order, and so on. Click the salary computation tag and click the compute sheet super button. You can see that the salary is computed here. It is listed under the salary computation tab. We can add in case any more salary rules, and we can view the salary based on the salary rule category on the salary rule category menu, and on the worker days and inputs field we can give the worker days, and on the other inputs section we can give the other inputs, that is we are providing to our employees, and choose the contract in case any. Click the confirm button to confirm the payslip, and as you can see there are 3 payslips created according to each of the salary rule we have. Now we can see all the payslips here. We can create payslip batches also. Click create to create a new payslip batch. Give it a name. Here we go, we give it a name and choose the period. We have chosen the salary journal. Now we have to add each of the payslips that we want. If we click create, the generate payslips menu will be automatically kept, and we can choose number of employees who are having that payslip, and then click generate. It will generate a payslip for them, and that payslip is added here. We are clicking the close button and going back to employee payslips in order to see the recently created payslip. As you can see, here is a payslip that is generated. Now let us see how it is being configured. Click salary structures to go to the salary structures, and we can open a salary structure here to see how it is configured. Here you can see that 3 salary rules are added for that salary structure. In case we need it, we can create a new salary structure. Give it a name, choose a reference, choose its parent in case any, and add the necessary salary rules for that salary structure. Click create in order to create a new salary structure on the fly. Click save to save the salary structure. We are discarding it since we have salary structures already. Now the next menu is salary rules. You can see how a salary rule is configured. As you can see, there are lots of options for a basic salary salary rule. Let us see how to create a new salary rule. It is important to give it a name, and it is important to choose its category. That is it a deduction or basic something or anything, and we have to give it a code. It is necessary. Choose the sequence, choose if it is appearing on payslip or not, And the conditions, we can see that there are three conditions: always true, range, or Python expression. If always true, the next section is the computation. If it is based on a percentage or a fixed price, or is it based on a percentage, and we can choose the quantity and the fixed amount here. In case Python code, we have to give the Python code here. That is the available objects are given here, and we can calculate the salary payment based on that objects. And as you can see, here is the result equal to contracted wage into 0.10. That is the expression that calculates that salary rule. Click save to save the salary rule. I'm just discarding it, and go. The next option is contribution registers. Here we can see the created salary contribution registers, and in case needed, we can create one, give it a name, and choose the partner. If necessary, give it a description and save. Now the last option is contract advantage template. That is the advantage given to the employees based on that. So we can choose the advantage name, give advantage code, default value for the advantage, lower bound and upper bound of the advantage. That is in case if the advantage is crossing a limit or an upper bound, it will be came to the upper bound, it won't go up. Giving the default value, lower bound and upper bound, and saving it. Thank you.